Gracias.
Such a nice day today. Sucks to be indoors. There's literally not a cloud in the sky. I can't go outside because I've got to do this. I want to do this. I'm starting on this big canvas now. I'm about to lay down all the lines, lay down the grid, and maybe start sketching it out, see how the day goes. Alright, that's the grid all laid out. I think that's all I'm going to do for today because it's just such a nice day. I got to get outside. So I got the grid and the flower of life done. Altitude. Look at this, nothing but blue skies. Lovely. Yeah, cool. Hey, baby. Val had to work. I was waiting for her to finish her work, but she didn't get it finished. So I've just come out to try and catch the sun, but it's gone. It's one of those days today. It just hasn't really felt that productive. Haven't really got much done. Also, it turns out the client's changed their mind on that big canvas, and I need to change the design a little bit before I can carry on with it. It always sucks to get to the end of the day and feel like it wasn't that productive, but whatever, it's all good. Tomorrow's a new day, but tomorrow I can't work on the canvas. Tomorrow I've got to work on something else. It would always be much better to be just like an artist and selling originals, painting on the canvas, then selling it. Obviously, that's what I would like to do, but I don't know, logistically it's not so practical around here. Yeah, but that is something I want to do. That is kind of the journey that I'm on with this vlog, is I'm trying to get to that point where I am an artist and I don't depend on clients. Yeah, that's where I need to get to, and I'm hoping this vlog will be that journey. Don't say I'm hoping. I keep doing that. I'm hoping this, I'm hoping that. I'm just gonna do it. I will do it, you'll see. You'll see in this vlog. Yeah, from now on, basically, this vlog is the journey of me as an artist. I like the sound of that. But obviously, for the next year or two, I still have to depend on clients. So if you would like to hire me, write me at zach@zkorvin.com. It's your lucky day, mouse.